Big Limerick Round-Iomána the Tibberdar and about a hand the Craobh Iomána fifth and the moon. A rare dog Hurling or Ruhan or Hugger Eiger for Láirge, a Hurling and Flower Mouth a hen. Be Brian Tires, it's Donald Grady and Nungervon than Count Shaw.
Dianta Gadasige, Scoiler, Schulish, Tan Artigan to see, like Chanel Law to see, California, Horse Goal. Coebru on the yes, Coy Vedra Shaska on Sprick and Son, but in Council Lesh, Cora Harish and Trust on top. Will Fragra and Son Láirge again Luimneach-1-13 agus Fragra den Scohan Son again Robert O'Farrell. Amachan sa agus bheith score an a háchtach to Fort Láirge with she leistig den goile tá an a Jacker Dulling let le shoot agus tá she sin leistig den goile Peter den Scott again Tobin. Nish Garnisteach a drone Hurling, Níl Tusa Istig, Achta an Stitter, Gaffa Harish and Drastan. Dara Ferland, Vola Sonisteach a drone Hurling, Ta Cosset the other one Sagas Touch Stitter Mehe, Istach Sahul, Gandinina Jori Table, Sean Duff of and Son, August Ta Limneach, Carter and Hoharak again. How long a Honel, going diligent to go August Ta and so. Fark, Racher, Dogger, a Revonta, a more the bar.
Under 20 it's frenetic, it's frantic, it's 60 minutes of mayhem really, and a small bit of composure we lacked in the last 10 minutes, but that comes with a bit of belief. These lads are knocking on the door and they're mad for the breakthrough, and we're all mad for a breakthrough with this team. It's a step in the right direction, but definitely is a game we feel that we let slip away.
Yeah, look, we believe in ourselves, so we're up there with the best teams. We're thereabouts, and hopefully we can drive on now.
Marsin agus Gláchlifa Imria a gach Conde, tá 3 points ag an Glár agus an Luimneach. 2 points atá na Tibberdí agus 0 Canaháin atá Corca agus ag Nídéise. Ba Clifa Táútach idir an Glár agus na Tibberdí san iad céding. Tá gáilegus gan chunne cáilethe gan na bótaí le cheannis, díreach mar bhí an ortha. Ba Iválaí a Dach Garmans bótaí Carol Canis. Ba Líis, Blacklia, Kiri agus Entrum nach chunda na mí na bótaí cáilethe le cáileach gan na bótaí Carol Canis céana.